walked 1,000 roads to find your light. Through storms and shadows, you were my sight. Every step, every fall, it led me to you.
I dreamed of hands that would hold me near. Through every doubt, you quieted fear. The stars whispered your name before I